Has that ever happened to you? Accidentally pressing some button, hanging up on the phone call? Well, let me show you how to change that. Alright, all you gotta do is go to settings, scroll down till you see accessibility, and then go to touch. And if you scroll down, you see prevent locked in call. So make sure that's highlighted or make sure it's on. You ever had friends over and they ask you for your Wi-Fi password and you can't remember it? Well, now you don't have to. Just go to your settings, Wi-Fi, click on this little I button, and if you click here, enter your phone's passcode or Face ID, and voila. Alright, in iOS 16, one of my favorite things that they put back is the battery percentage. No idea why they got rid of it, but now it's back. So you gotta just go to settings, scroll down till you see battery, and make sure that's toggled on. As you can see that 91% is back. Before, that's all you know. And you have to like scroll down to actually see that number. But now it's back. Alright, this next one is gonna be background sounds. Actually just came out on iOS 16. And if you swipe down from the top right, you see this little ear thing. And if you don't see that, I'm gonna show you real quick how to get that on there. You go to settings, scroll down till you see control center. As you can see, it's under included controls. So these are all, basically I've added everything except for the guided access. So once you add that on there, go back, swipe down, go to everything, background sounds. Got a couple choices here. Alright, this next one is selecting text from anything in your Photos app. If you look in your bottom right of this photo, you'll see that little square with like 3 lines in the middle. Click on that so you can see it highlighted everything. Now if you just want to copy particular words or sentences, just hold down. So you see it gives me the option to select. There you go. Copy that. You can also have these other options. Translate, speak, spell, share. Alright, in iOS 16 dictation mode, you can now say punctuations and emojis. Watch this. Hey, what do you want to eat? Period. Exclamation point. Question mark. Smile emoji. Crying emoji. Laughing emoji. Heart emoji. Food emoji. Alright, this next one is more specifically for the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. Dynamic Island. I think most people know that if you press on it, I'll show you a quick preview. Just like with a timer. Quick preview. If you tap on it, you actually open the whole thing. But did you know that you can hide it? I'll show you how. Swipe left. Swipe left again, boom, it's both gone. If you want it to reappear, swipe left again. And for the second one to reappear, if I swipe left right here, see it doesn't work. It'll just get rid of that one. So you have to swipe it somewhere right here. See that? Do that again. First one, second one. Alright, quick tip on the calculator app. Pressing the wrong number. And usually we just have to start over, right? Well, you actually don't have to do that. Just erase. Swiping left. This next one is one of the coolest app they have. It's pre-installed on your iPhone. It's called the Measure app. To test the accuracy of this thing, I'm using a 12-inch ruler. Find your first point, hit the plus button, then find your second point, hit your plus button again, and then take a picture by pressing the button on the right side. And if you look at the bottom right hand side of the app, you'll see that it also has a leveler, which is pretty accurate. And there's more. It can actually measure your height too. Just make sure the camera can see from head to toe. As you can see, it automatically measures your height.